Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and sorry about my naked nails. I am planning on filming a new nail art tutorial after this, but first I wanted to talk to you about the 6 different iHeart Revolution iHeart surprise eggs I got. So I got all 6 of them. First up is the gold, I have the rose gold, I have the red dragon one, the pink angel, the purple unicorn, and the blue mermaid. And I'm just going to swatch these guys for you real quickly and just tell you what I think about them. So first up is the gold one, and as you can see it is an egg and it has its little opening at the top. Let's see if I can open this without breaking any nails. There we go. So we have 2 highlighter shades. We have a little film right here. I'm just taking that off, and we've got 5 eyeshadow shades. I do feel like these are so big you could also just use them as eyeshadow, especially that gold one. I don't know if that will be like too much as a subtle highlighter, but you might want to go big or go home, you know, and just go with that for a highlighter as well. So there are 3 matte shades and 2 shimmery ones, and then again 2 highlighter colors. And I'm just going to swatch these for you real quick. It does feel, that is a lot of pigment. It is a little bit chalky at first feel and glance, but we'll see. I'm just swatching that over here. Whoa, look at that pigment. That is a lot. And I'm just going to grab myself a little baby wipe to just get rid of the color on my finger before I swatch another one. Then I'm going in with the other highlight color. It feels really nice. Whoa, that are really good pigmented colors if you ask me. I think they are a little bit too much to use as a highlighter on my fair skin tone, but if you have a darker skin tone, I think this would look bomb. Then it's up for the other colors, and I'm just going to swatch these real quickly. So that are the 2 shimmery shades. Great color payoff. I'm really curious to see how these matte shades will turn out. Doesn't look that bad. Yeah, you can see that these, let's blow the axes off a little bit. You can really see that the matte ones are a little bit more chalky, a little bit more powdery, but I do feel that they look really, really nicely pigmented. So these are the swatches of the gold egg. I'm not too disappointed and actually really, really excited to swatch all the other ones right now. The second one is the rose gold one, and on the little stickers on the packaging you can already see what colors are in there. So let's just open this one right away. So here we have the packaging again. So it is just an egg shaped one, and it opens fairly easily. This one really has a ton of like more red, browny, rose gold colors. Again, with the little sheet on top. I'm just taking that off, and this is what it looks like on the inside. So I really do like these burgundy shades, and yeah, if you are a rose gold lover just like I am, you really might like this one. So first up, I'm going to swatch the 2 highlighters and the 5 eyeshadow colors, and these seem to be all shimmery except for that one. Oh, just look at how soft that is. Wow. You don't want to apply too much pressure because you might ruin or pick up way too much, as you can see here. Yeah, it almost feels creamy. but the pigmentation is amazing. Whoa! Oh wow! Look at that! And then the last two shades is this darker shimmery burgundy and the matte. It looks really, really good. And I'm not even applying that much pressure. Wow, I love this. This has some kind of like duochrome effect. So that are the swatches of the rose gold egg. Even the matte isn't that bad. Usually matte colors are a lot less pigmented compared to shimmery or metallic-y ones, but I really do love every shade in this little egg. Next up, the red dragon one. So just the same egg-shaped packaging. And that is what this one looks like. So again, the little piece of film. This one has more gold highlighters, and these, actually this one looks a lot like the rose gold shade. I actually think these are the same, as well as that one. Like these two look really similar. But let's swatch these. Okay, these feel a lot less creamy than the previous ones in the rose gold egg. Yeah, I really like these. These are way more like facial highlighter-ish to me personally. So I'm going into the metallic-y colors first. I don't really feel like these colors are super like spring-like or something like that, but that are the eyeshadow colors so far. And let's go into the matte ones. I don't feel like these colors are super like, how do you say, like Easter-like or something. When it's Easter, I tend to wear a lot of pastel kind of colors, and these seem more like fall tones to me. But again, the shimmery tones as well as the highlighters are super well pigmented. The matte ones do need a little bit more work in that department, but I really do like the shades. Then the cute little pink one, the angel one. And I really love how this one looks. It gives like a holographic sheen. This is what it looks like. These are more cool toned colors. This one seems to be really almost creamy, powdery like. This one seems normal. And then there are 4 shimmery shades and 1 matte. I really do feel like these colors are a little bit more Easter or spring appropriate, if you want to call it like that. And I think you can make some really nice soft looks with these colors. But let's swatch them. Yeah, this one is really creamy again. And this one is more like a soft powder. There's a little hair in there. Bam! That is like a true creamy silvery shade. And a softer like lilac one. I'm just going to go in to the shimmery shades first. That looks awesome already. You can see they're really soft. That's silver. And then the final one is matte. Not too shabby. Yeah, that's actually pretty decent. Really nice. Again, the shimmery ones are super pigmented. The matte isn't too bad either. Then the next one is this purple unicorn. And this one also has, just like the pink angel one, that holographic sheen to it. There we go. This is a gorgeous dark, like purpley blue shade. And this one seems to be a really creamy powdery one again. So these, I think they all have shimmer except for that dark one. Really, really soft. And I'm applying these swatches just randomly with my finger and without a primer. So these really are the true colors. And just go with the fifth one on the thumb. Okay, that looks awesome. And bam. Yeah, so that darker one, this one seems to be more of a blue shade than a purple, and they're all pretty decently colored except for this one. That one is a little bit not that great. I think that was that one, but really nice. I like purple colors, so if you do like purple ones, I would highly suggest just getting this one. All of the eggs are $5.99, except, well, they are here in Holland. I don't know how much they will cost where you live, but they are really, really affordable. And then it is time for the last one already. And the last one is this blue one. It is the Mermaid. And this one has the regular metallic like color and jazz to it. These or this one has a lot of blues, a little coppery bronze one, and the other ones are more like a minty teal green. This is a light gold one, and this seems to me like a duochrome highlighter. Again, really soft. Like, ooh, look at that. I'm not even applying that much pressure and it's going all over the place. That is like a lot. So that's the one on top. Now for the really soft one. Whoa. This is almost like a creamy product to me. There's a ton on my finger still left. It's insane. And then the other colors. That is what they look like. These blues look amazing. And the thumb. That is what the Mermaid one looks like. So really, really nice. The highlighters are amazing. This one has like a creamy color with a purple duochrome, really mermaid-like. I really do like how that one looks. So the pigmentation is really, really great of all of these eggs. And as I said, they're only $5.99 each. Really affordable. You get a ton of great colors in each of them. I would suggest to just pick the ones you really, really like, because there are some similar colors in some of the eggs. And yeah. But that was my entire swatch video, and I'm just going to try and grab all of the eggs so I can show you them on screen. Woo! They're going all over the place. So there are 6 in total: a gold, rose gold, a red, a purple, a pink and a blue. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time.